So I welcome you today to Smart Money AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap your coins. Let's say you have Bitcoin, you need Ethereum. How you can do it? You can swap the Bitcoin to Ethereum. Let's say you have USDT and you want to use the USDT. Let's say to buy Bitcoins. How can you do it? So when you check my wallet here, I have 17.31 USDT, and I'm going to use this 17 USDT to buy Litecoin on this same exchange, right? This time I don't need any third party. You see that? So I'll just click on this trade, right? I'll just click on it. This is a spot trade something. Sometimes some people prefer using the convert option on this sidebar. I don't really like that. So when you come to this section, you click here. You see that? Just click on it. Just click on it. Okay. When you click on it, then you will see so many pairs. Then you select the coins that you like to buy. You see, these are my favorite ones, right? You can see the stars here. I have favorited them, so whenever I want to buy it will be easy. If yours isn't here, you can click on this search bar here, right? Let's say if it's TRC or Thrones, you want to buy Thrones, you can just search for it. It seems the network, so you can see the pairs. We have Thrones USDT and then Thrones USDC, right? The first one is the base currency, and then the second one is the quote currency. As you can see, I'm about to buy Thrones, so you can see Thrones first, and you can also see USDT. So the TRX being first means the base currency, and the USDT that comes after the slide something is the quote currency, right? So it means for me to get one throne, I need 0.07 USDT. I hope you get me now. Now when we come here, when we come to the downside, I'm talking about this section. For me to get one thrones, I need about 0.07 USDC before. So that's how it works, right? So if you don't understand, so here I want to buy Litecoin, right? That's why let it come, and then I'll select my Litecoin. So if you want to buy Bitcoins with USDT, if you want to buy Ethereum, it's the same thing. If you need one Bitcoin, you will need 29,397 96.1 USDT. The same thing applies to Ethereum. So I want to buy Litecoin, right? So you can see the base is Litecoin, and the quote is USDT. So if I need one full Litecoin, I'll need 82.17 USDT, right? So I'll click on Litecoin. But you don't need to buy full, right? You don't need to be buying full. You can actually buy fractions, right? So I'm going to buy. So look at something here. You see I have USDT in my wallet, but when you come here, USDT available balance is 0. So here you will click on this, and then I'll transfer the USDT I have to my trading wallet. There are so many wallets here. So the crypto we are dealing with is USDT, right? It's in my funding wallet. As you can see, funding is at the top here and trading is at the bottom here, right? So I'll click on max here, and it will be transferred to my trading wallet, right? Transferred successfully. Okay, so now let's go back and see something. Let it refresh. I hope you can now see that my sexy USDT is now reflecting in the available balance. So here I want to buy it instantly. I'm not going to be trading for profit. I just want to buy, show you how to buy. So you click on that and then select market order, right? You select market order, and then you pull this thing. I want to buy with all the 17 USDT. So you pull this here, right? It means I'm buying with all, and then you click on buy Litecoin, right? You confirm it, right? So now the order has been placed and it has been executed, right? So let's go to let me show you something here. Click on assets and you will see something. You click on assets. All right, so you can see the Litecoins I have here, right? I now have 17 sorry 0.21 Litecoin, and its value is 17.31 Ghana cedis. I hope you get it. So thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like, if you find value in the content here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, at least stay interactive, leave a comment. Let's all help the channel to grow. It means a lot. On this channel I make money videos about how to make money online. So kindly go through the various videos, watch some of the videos and make money with us. At least make $50 a day with us. There are so many opportunities on this channel. Don't fade out. See you another time. Bye bye.